Okay, so we got fuse box, relay board for the relays that aren't gonna be controlled over the internet, 4G, LTE, whatever. And then we have the computer board, which is the brains, Raspberry Pi, some more relays for things that will be controlled over the internet, 4G, LTE, whatever. And then I have the remote control remote start, push the start. It's powered up directly from the fuse box on a 5 amp fuse. The accessory cable is going here, so this is my accessory. Yeah, and so I'm gonna have a few accessories coming up with here. One of them obviously being the computer, which I have to add a UPS to. And I figured before I test this one more time that I might as well unbox this and hook it up to the Perfius so you guys can get a sense of how this thing is gonna start up. So yeah, this is a list by who makes the screens, makes the displays. It's a fancy card. And this, the display, it's a 7-inch capacitive display. Capacitive meaning you can use 2, 3, 4 fingers, 5 fingers on the screen at the same time. I did a retest the screen. Like I said earlier, it works beautifully. There's a power button, menu button, up and down, exit. There's a space for the Raspberry Pi, but we have its own dedicated spot in our project. There are HDMI, USB-C power in, and USB-C touch. So yeah, let's get this thing set up. And I'm gonna test it, make sure everything runs how it's supposed to so far. So I'm gonna start here. And key, let's see. Okay, that's a good sign. Now let's see. It does what it's supposed to do. Pi is on. Is it giving the screen enough power? It is. And it should boot. Everything seems to be working. Touchscreen is working. So this screen is gonna be in the dashboard, and I'm gonna program a few elements into it for GPS, music, infotainment, the basic infotainment system. But it's also gonna be a full-fledged computer connected and that. Okay, so I see the NVMe mounted. see what else we can. Let's see what else we can find. Trying to remember the command. Command ls USB. Since it is plugged up through the USB port, I just want to see. Okay, so it's picking up multi-touch screen, and it is also picking up Questa Wireless Solutions LTE EC25 LTE modem. So it is installed. I believe it's a Minicom. Yeah. Let's get that out of the way. So I just spent about an hour on the LTE module trying to successfully throw at commands at it, but I couldn't get it. So I'm gonna come back to it. And right now, I'm gonna move on to wiring this bad boy up and getting all the placement down and taking some notes on where everything goes, so that when I actually put everything back together, everything can just go right into place where it belongs. But yeah, I'm gonna get all of these things wired up. I'm gonna go ahead and I got the harness over here. Gonna work on that as well, along with the lights. I'm gonna put in a new light and see if I can get that to work, along with the flashers and the indicators on here. And I think that should be enough for this episode. So yeah, it's coming together well. Push start works. Everything works. Everything's coming together. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be real pretty. Alright? Come on, man. Tell me you don't see the vision.